Hey everybody, Joe here with the Easton Garlic Fest. We're at Third Ferry Fish Market to see what they've concocted for us for our Best of Fest Stinkin Garlic Cocktail contest. Come on, let's go in and see what they've done. Okay, we're here at Third Ferry Fish Market with Lauren, bartender extraordinaire, and she has come up with a stinky garlic cocktail to enter into our Best of Fest contest.
Yes.
And again, whoever wins is going to be featured next year at Garlic Fest 2021 Best of Fest cocktail. So Lauren, tell us about your cocktail.
We have a fun little twist on the mojito today. We are actually going to be using basil instead of mint, which I personally love. And then we are going to also fresh squeeze an orange into this and give it a fun little twist. And this
Already smells good.
is a brown sugar garlic simple syrup, which is amazing. You're gonna do your traditional lime juice, just like a little squirt. And then we also have a, this is our favorite in-house Don Q spiced rum. We use it in everything. It's about 1.5 ounces. And then you're gonna give it a nice little shake.
I think that's what really makes the cocktail. It's got to shake it.
All right. And then we are just going to top it with club soda. That is our amazing basil mojito, and I think you guys are going to love it. Remember to vote for us on YouTube and enjoy our cocktail.
This looks so refreshing. I'm really intrigued with the basil. This is going to be interesting. Oh my goodness, it's amazing. It's all these layers of flavors. Oh, you guys, this is a good one. Thank you so much.
Do you love it?
Do that.
You got this.